Stop what you're doing. It's Temu time. Okay, little package. Only 7 items today, and I'm trying to keep my voice down because Ethan is taking a nap. So we have some jewelry. A couple of pieces of jewelry. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Three pieces of jewelry. Some beauty. A couple of something really weird. What are those? I don't know. Let's get into these one by one. Okay, we went to Epcot today, and then I just went and walked to the mail, so I'm kind of a mess right now, so just ignore me. So I told this story, I think I tell it every year. At least once a year I tell this story, but it's relevant today. When we got married, we didn't have a lot of money, and we were trying to figure out what to do about rings. And I was on Amazon, and I found a gold ring that would be just fine, and it was a penny. And it was like $13 shipping, but the ring was a penny. So I half jokingly said, what if we set a dollar limit of $30 a ring, and every year on our anniversary we get a new ring and do a vow renewal kind of thing together, and then get like a display case to put them in. And we did. So I'll have to pull them out. I've got all of our rings. It's nice because if you want to, we don't, neither one of us wear wedding rings on a regular basis, but it's nice that you've got them. And it's a nice, like anniversary thing. And we'll do it in specific places. One year I surprised him. It was the first, it was right after Star Wars Land was built in Disney World. And I surprised him. We were standing right behind the Millennium Falcon, and I pulled the rings out. He didn't know I had them yet. So we generally will theme them based on that year. So this year, this will be our 10-year wedding anniversary, our 11-year anniversary together. And obviously we bought a ton of Temu. So the theme, part of the theme is Temu, so the rings had to come from Temu. We are doing our anniversary cruise on Virgin Voyage's Scarlet Lady, so red had to be part of the ring design. And he had another theme in his, and I can't remember what it was, but mine just had to do with Temu and Scarlet Lady. And so I got this. It is upside down. Even I can see that. Let me flip the camera for you. I cannot do anything with these nails. Come on. Oh, come on. Isn't that cool? Oh, come on, focus again. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm assuming that's in focus. But that was mine, and I don't know if he's shown you his yet, or if he was saving it. I don't know if he'll use this footage right now, or if he'll save it. I don't know what he's going to do. But that's the ring I picked. I think it was like 98 cents. That's why it's blurry. I think it's really pretty. Let's see if it fits. It does. It's a little bulky, but it definitely fits. So I'm gonna have to design Scarlet Lady nails. And they're gonna have to be silver and red, aren't they? Okay, well, that's good to know, so that my ring matches. Okay, this is actually, I turned the flash on because this one was kind of sparkly. This is the first one that I actually picked. And I just left it in the cart because I was like, oh, that's really pretty. It's like a twisted swirl band. That's pretty too. I like that. I don't wear a lot of rings. If I'm going to keep doing nails like this, I need to. Yeah, I like that. Okay, this third item is a pair of dangly earrings. And I saw these on... These have been in my cart in Amazon. Come on. For, I don't know, months now. They're like 13 or 14 bucks, and I just never got around to ordering them. I've got these on Temu for less than $3. So those were really pretty. And they've got, I'll show you the, hang on a second. I don't have enough hands. All right, I flipped the other one around so you could see. You just feed that part through, and then you can have them dangle as long as you want. They're just little dangly, sparkly earrings. Okay, this packet is, these are little adhesive tabs, and these are booties for your feet. And it's a pack of, I don't remember how many they said there were supposed to be in here. It sure doesn't feel like as many as, I think it said like, I don't know, 500 or 1,000. It doesn't feel like it. There's that many in here. But we buy these packs, you know, the ones that have the moisturizer in them to put on your feet to do like little spa day things. And they're, if you get them at the dollar store or at Five Below or whatever, they're at least $1.25. You know, maybe $3, maybe $5 a pack. This was a whole bunch of them. And I've got jojoba oil, and I've got all kinds of moisturizers, and we can just squeeze all that crap inside the baggies and put these on our feet. I want to see how big they are. Hopefully, Ethan will fit in these. Oh, Ethan is going to have no trouble. These are huge. They're very, very thin, and they've got the little tab thing here that you put but the stickers are separate. These are the stickers. I have no idea what they say.
Do you have any non-dairy creamer?
I don't know why the flash is still on. Yeah, I don't know what this say. I'm probably holding it upside down. But yeah, you put your foot inside of here, and they're pretty thin, but they'll work. I mean, they just need to be plastic. And I'll be honest, I need a pedicure right now, really bad. So this will be like one of the next things I do. Okay, this was me being weird. It's a wrist fan. I will show you. I got it in red, and it probably needs to be charged. Although Temu's been really good about sending stuff that's already charged. Okay, we've got a... Is it a C or a micro? Hang on. That's a C. That's a USB-C. Nice job. Okay, so this is the fan. There's the charging port right there. Is that the on-off button? Oh. I love that they send stuff charged. Oh, it's got different speeds. I can feel that. And it's not loud. And supposedly this lights up. But I don't see how. I only see one button. I'm going to have to read the directions. But it comes with a slap bracelet. So let me put this together. Okay, it doesn't fit super well, but I can put it on a purse strap too. So I figured we'd use my bangs as a test. This is on 1. And I do get some movement, a little bit. Let's move it up to 2. I know my hand's in the way. Ah! little bit of movement. Not a ton, but some. I can feel it. And then 3. See that? That actually feels really good. And you can take it off your wrist and put it on the on the desk if you're working. You put it next to your keyboard and just sit like that. Or you can hold it. Oh, I got some sun. Did not realize I had gotten any sunburn today. Apparently, what else is new? I always burn. Okay, and I was wrong. This is a micro USB, not a C. Yeah, that's a micro. How I thought that was a C, I have no idea. I think it was wishful thinking on my part. Okay, I think there's 2 more items in the bag. Couldn't tell you what they are right now. Okay, if it lights up, I cannot figure out how it works, and it doesn't say it on the box. So maybe I was thinking of a different one that I was looking at, because there are multiple options of this. In fact, there were some where it like tipped up on an angle. This is the problem. See the slap bracelet, when it's in between those 2 hooks, it doesn't want to be a slap bracelet anymore. It wants to be 2 circles. So maybe I can figure out how to fix that. Okay, I'm really excited about these last 2 products. Let's start with this one. This is a jewelry cleaner, eyeglass cleaner. It's a multi-function cleaning machine. And that's what it says all over the place. Really can't read that. Let's see. So I saw somebody with one of these, and they were getting all the gunk out of the eyepiece. The nose guard piece of your glasses gets really filthy. And this was getting all of that off. So let me get it out of the box. Okay, according to the directions, you can clean your ruler, scissors, pen, toothbrush, razor, jewelry, gold tableware, false teeth, glasses. I'm not sure how this would work with contact lenses. Yeah, it's got directions. And it's just cleaning time about 5 minutes for pretty much everything. So, let me get it out of its bag. Okay. It's got a lid and a little chamber. It's got, oh, that comes off. It's got 4 suction-y feet on the bottom and an on-off switch and a battery. It does not have any way to run it other than off of batteries, which is weird. And thanks to these nails, I can't open this. So this is, we're going to have to wait on this for Ethan to wake up. So I can show you my last item, which is in this bag. In case you can't tell, this is a purse, but this is the back of the purse. So let me unwrap. Okay, that's at its shortest, or almost shortest. But I'm going to lengthen it to make it a crossbody bag, because that's the style that I like. Bring those up a little. Let those fall in a little bit. I just thought it was so cute. So I got the black on white. There was white on black. There was black and black. And then I think there was like a pale blue and white. It came in a bunch of different colors. I just thought that was so cute. I really like that purse.